Hello dear viewers, welcome to my new video lesson. Today I'm gonna give you an important tips and tricks how you can develop your spoken skill. And take if you can take these tricks, I hope and I expect I can assure you that you must be fluent in spoken English. And I hope that you will be practicing regularly. And if you want to be fluent and expert in spoken English, if you want to control this second language, you must practice it. And you will have to consume this language in your own memory, own mind, and own heart. So I hope that today's video lesson is going to be very much enjoyable and very much fruitful for you. Let's see and let's uh, enjoy this video lesson. Today, I'm gonna discuss about some idioms and phrases with meaning, and I will also say the Bengali meaning for the students of Kolkata, Assam, Tripura, and Bangladesh. And I will also say the English meaning for the students from other countries. And this video lesson is going to be very much important for you. And if you watch the video lesson till the end, I hope you will get the idea how to be fluent in spoken English and how you can use these idioms in your daily communication and daily used English sentences. First, idioms is narrow escape. Narrow escape means narrowly saved or to be saved from any dangerous incident like accident or any dangerous disease. And if you can save yourself narrowly, and that is called narrow escape. In Bengali, it is called অল্পের জন্য বেঁচে যাওয়া. The sentence of this narrow escape is the boy had a narrow escape from the accident. That means the boy was saved uh, in this from this dangerous accident. Number two is now and then. Now and then means occasionally. That means sometimes, for sometimes. In Bengali, মাঝে মাঝে. My friend visits me now and then. That means my friends comes to visit me not regularly or not always, not often, but sometimes or occasionally or now and then. My friends come to visit me. And then number three, neck and croak. Neck and croak means completely, and in Bengali, সম্পূর্ণ bhabe, completely, fully. The thief was punished. Neck and croak, that means the thief was completely punished. The thief was dangerously punished and properly punished. And that is called neck and croak. Number four, of no avail. Of no avail, that means of no use. That means in vain, without any fruit. In Bengali, it is called britha. All my efforts were of no avail. That means all my efforts came to an end, and all my efforts brought no result, and that is called of no use or of no avail. That means without getting any result. I have tried my level best, but I didn't get any result. So this is called of no avail or of no use. Number five, out and out. Out and out means completely, fully. That is called সম্পূর্ণ ভাবে or হারে হারে. Kazi Nazrul Islam was out and out a rebel poet. Kazi Nazrul Islam is one of the most famous poets in the world, and he has written so many poems and so many novels and so many dramas also. So he is called, but he is popularly known for his rebel poet, rebel poem, and he is properly called rebel poet in the world, and he is also called the Shelley in Bangla literature. So, Kazi Nazrul Islam was out and out a rebel poet. If you say, my father is out and out an honest man, if you say, my mother is out and out and pious man, so in this way, you can say or you can make thousands and millions of English sentences by using this type of idioms in your daily communication. So, I hope these idioms will help you to be fluent, because if you can embrace your vocabulary with this type of idioms and phrases, you must be able to be expert in spoken English. Number six is, on the other hand, On the other hand means on the contrary. And in Bengali it is called Pakkantore. Bangladesh is a rural country. On the other hand, Singapore is an urban country. The rural country means the country where there are lots of villages, there are lots of trees and green fields and paddy fields, etc. So that is called rural country. But in Singapore, all the country is a city. That's why Singapore is called an urban country. Number seven, out of source. Out of source means ill or feel bored or feel uneasy or feel sick. That is in Bengali, অস্থির or অসুস্থ. He is out of sorts today for fever. That means he is suffering from fever. That's why he is feeling out of sorts and he is feeling unwell. He is feeling ill. He is feeling sick. Okay, number eight, on the bank of or on the verge of. That means near to. That means almost in near about. In Bengali, it is called খুব নিকটে. The man is on the bank of ruin for his drug addiction. Drug addiction is a dangerous disease which is destroying the young generation from all over the world. That's why drug addiction is like a cancer, is more than cancer. So all the people in the world should protect this type of disease, protect this type of addiction. So if you have anything to say that is about to finish or near to finish, that is called on the bank of or on the verge of. The man is on the bank of or the man is on the verge of ruin for his drug addiction, for his robbery, for his addiction to drugs, etc. etc. In this way, you should make many sentences or you should practice this type of sentences. Here I have written one sentence, but you can make millions of English sentences in this way, keeping the basic structure in your spoken or in your writing. Number nine, on the eve of, that means just before, tar agei. In Bengali, it is called just tar agei. He left the country on the eve of Eid vacation. That means he left the country, he went to other countries just before the Eid vacation, just before the Puja vacation, just before the winter vacation, just before the summer vacation. Number 10, on the point of, that means about to. In Bengali, it is called prai, near, about. The old man is on the point of death. That means the old man is dying patient. He is going to die. And before the moment of death, this is called on the point of death. And the old man is on the point of death. Number 11, puppet in the hand. Puppet in the hand means if you have no own control over you, and if you work or if you talk, if you do any work on the direction of others, that is called puppet in the hand. That means you are puppet in others' hand and you don't have any control over you or over yourself. And this is called puppet in the hand, and in English follow others. In Bengali, hater putul, we should not be the puppet in the hand of the political leaders. That means we should not follow only the political leaders, because most of the political leaders are cheaters and they always cheat the general people. And there are some cheaters in the society who always sit with general people and common people or illiterate people. That's why we, the general people, should not be the puppets of in the hand of the other cheaters. 12, play tricks. Play tricks also means sit. In Bengali, it is called protarona. Political leaders play tricks with the common people. In my previous sentence, I have told you how political leaders sit you. In before the election, they will give you several promises, but after election, they will hate you, they will neglect you. That's why this is called cheating. 13, point blank. Point blank means directly. Directly, it mean Bengali, it is called sorashori. The leader discussed the matter point blank. That means the leader discussed in details about any matter. Number 14, past matter. That means expert or skilled. He is a past matter in spoken English. That means he is very much skillful very much expert, very much standard in speaking English. Number 15, Palmy days. Palmy days means days of prosperity. So in Bengali it is called Sushomoy. There are many false friends flock around us in our palmy days. That means the false friends like to gather around us in our palmy days. 16, pin money, daily expenditure for wife. In Bengali, it is called স্ত্রীকে প্রদত্ত হাত খরচ. She saved all her pin money and bought a nice dress. This is the nature of the women, most of the women, that they will always like to save money and they don't like to waste. They don't like to expense money. They always try to save money. But sometimes they buy their ornaments or new dress or some utensils in their kitchens with the saved money, and the saved money is coming from the pin money. Pin money is the money given by her husband for her daily expenditure. Pin money. Number 17, provide against a rainy day to save for bad days. Bad days must come in your life. You cannot ensure that bad days will never come in your life. This is bad. Our life is uncertain. Our life is full of uncertainty. That's why bad days may come anytime, any moment. That's why we must be prepared for our bad days. That's why we must keep something, save something for our bad days in future. In Bengali, it is called দুর্দিনের জন্য সঞ্চয়. We should provide against a rainy day. Rainy day জন্য আমাদের অবশ্যই কিছু সেভ করে রাখতে হবে. Without saving for our rainy days, we cannot survive in the world because this world is full of uncertainty. Number 18, put a good face on. That means tolerate something. In Bengali, it is called সহ্য করা. Everybody should put good face on the difficult times. That means in our difficult times, we should try to put a good face on. That means we should tolerate. 19, red-handed. That means caught by hand. In Bengali, it is called hate nate. The thief was caught red-handed. That means the thief was caught on the spot. Caught on the spot. 20, red letter day, that is memorable day or historical day. In Bengali, it is called Shoranio Din. The Independence Day is the red letter day in our national history. Every country has a Independence Day, and Independence Day is always historical day in the history of that country. That is the Independence Day. So in your life, if you want to say something about your historical moment or memorable moment in your life, you can say red letter day. 21, rag day. Rag day means a funny day. In Bengali, it is called Anonder Din. Everybody remembers the rag day of the college or the university. Number 22, root and branch completely. That means in Bengali, it is called Sampurno Bhabe. We should uproot corruption from root and branch. আমাদের we should uproot corruption because we should put out corruption from the society completely. 23, scapegoat. That means to be blamed illegally. In Bengali, it is called একজনের দোষ অন্যকে চাপানো. The clerk was made a scapegoat for his simplicity because this is the nature of the society or the nature of the nature, because simple people are always being cheated, and the clerk was made a scapegoat for his simplicity. 24, exterminate report. That means quarrel unnecessarily. In Bengali, it is called তুচ্ছ বিষয়ে হইচই করা. The two political parties raised a storm in a teapot without any reason. That means they quarreled without any reason, and they make fight without any reason, without any logical reason. And this is called a storm in a teapot. There are some students, there are some people in our society, in our school and colleges, they made quarrel or they sometimes involved in quarrel without any reason. That is called a storm in a teapot. 25, slow course. Slow course means lazy people. In Bengali, it is called walosh. A slow course cannot succeed in life. This is universal truth. If you are lazy, you will never be able to learn English or learn anything in your life. If you are lazy, you will never be successful in your life. You must be active, you must be punctual, you must be serious in your work, in your daily activities, in your daily duties, and you must understand what is your duties and responsibilities. If you are not serious about your duties and responsibilities, you will never be successful in your life. And success will come if you are active. If you are lazy, you will never touch the sweet result or sweet fruit of success. So I'd like to invite you to be active always and to be industrious in your life. If you are not industrious, you will always be failure, and failure will lead you in the destruction of life. So this was your lesson. These 25 idioms were the matter of our discussion today. If you think that this video lesson was useful and important for you, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and please stay connected with this YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna finish here. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching. Thank you again.